Hello, my friends. I'm very excited to share these products with you today because I've waited a long time for some of them and I'm finally able to share them with you. The first item is the 5x7 never-ending card. Dun, dun, dun. Now, I know it doesn't look like much there, but when you make this card, and I'll show it to you here, when you make this card, it is a never-ending card. What does that mean? That means it never stops. When you open it, it just keeps going and going and going. It's almost like an optical illusion because it just keeps going. It never ends. It just keeps going and going and going. It's kind of like the batteries, right? Look at that. And you can turn it this way. Look, so there's hello. Then you can open it this way and then this way. It just never ends. It's so fun. Now, we came out with this in A2 and it was very, very popular. We finally now have it in 5x7, which is fun because it fits in a 5x7 envelope, standard postage, but it's so fun to play with. You could like seriously just stand here and play with this all day. It's awesome. I have more samples to show you. Stay tight. Hang tight. Hang tight. Now, another item that's brand new today is, and I know it doesn't look like much here, look at how beautiful that is. Thanks so much. Isn't that beautiful? All those dots die cut out and you have the perfect background card. I love that. That is so pretty. Now, it does come with rounded corners, but you could also use it in straight corners as well. Last but not least, we have something a little different. This is, originally it was called the Fold It Box because that was my behind the scenes name that I named it. But the new name is Rounded Floral Treat Box. So what is it? Let me flip this over and show you. This says just a little something, and what does that look like? That looks like that right there, just a little something. This is the box itself. It makes a cute little box. It has the little pokey holes at the top up here, so you could thread some ribbon. It has also a tiny treat to make you smile, and all of these fun flowers that you are going to be able to drop in, and they will die cut. So let's see if I have a sample here. Well, these are actually a little different because these are actually decorated, but look at how pretty that is. Just a little something. So you could put a little treat in there. There's a drop-in die right there. Isn't that fun? Now, why did I call it a folded box? Because originally, I designed this, and I didn't tell the design team, so they didn't know to do this. I designed this to be similar to our box it die that makes things a box. But I made it so the flaps were long enough you could glue this to the back of a Fold It, glue a Fold It to this side, and it would be a little box as well. So the choice is yours. You get to mix and match this. The nice thing about this die though is it's a box on its own as well, unlike the box it die, right? Now, let's look at some of the samples because they are just amazing. So first of all, here is another never-ending card that never ends. So you can go like this, and then you can fold it like this, and it just miss you. Look at that. Isn't that fun? So they just keep folding and folding and folding. And let me see if I can, oh, there it is. There's the other fold. So it just keeps going and going and going. It's fun. Now, let's look at another one. Oh, here's that gorgeous thanks so much. Isn't it beautiful? Here's a couple. And it's nice for you to see different styles, different papers with it, because different colors. It shows you all of the different options that you can do for this die, which is really fun. Here's another one with hologram paper or foil in the background. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that shine. Oh, I love it. Here's another one. Thanks so much. So easy too, right? Easy, easy, easy. Okay, so here we have that cute little box. Here's another one of those cute little boxes. A tiny treat to make you smile. Isn't that, look at the pretty flowers. I love the flowers. Here's another one, just a little something, all decorated, ready to go. Now look at this. This box, the dies that are inside, why don't you make them a card front as well? Aren't those flowers gorgeous? I absolutely love that. Isn't that different? So different, so fun. Now, let's look at some more never endings. Are you ready? Get set. Dun, 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 dun. These are so fun, and it's fun to like fold them because you never know. Miss you, hello, love. Look at that. Miss you, love. And it just keeps going and going and going. Now, rest assured, there is a video on how to do this because, well, it looks complicated, but you know, if you've been around a little while, you know, if it's complicated, I'm not going to do it. So I would never let you do it. It's always going to be very, very easy. Now, here's another one. Are you ready? You are so very awesome. Dun, 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 dun. Ready? Get set. Here's another one. And it just keeps going and going and going. That's what's fun about these, because when you give these to somebody, they're just going, wait a minute, what, how, did you, what? This is amazing. What's happening here? So much fun. Now, club members, you get the club discount on every single thing I just showed you right now. In fact, you get the club discount on every single item on our website. What? I know. Does that include brushes? Yes. Fabric boxes? Yes. Cardstock? Yes. Everything. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. 15 to 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.